Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of canned vegetables with a focus on what might just be the best petite baby carrots available in the market. Happy Belly Sliced Carrots. Happy Belly, an Amazon brand known for quality pantry staples, brings us these sliced carrots packed in a convenient 15-ounce can. Perfect for those looking to add nutritious vegetables to their meals without the hassle of preparation. Let's start with what matters most, the nutrition. Each serving contains just 30 calories and is low in sodium, making it a healthy addition to your diet. With no added sugars and a good source of dietary fiber and protein, these sliced carrots not only taste great but also support a balanced lifestyle. Now, let's talk about the taste. The carrots maintain a firm texture and natural sweetness, characteristic of fresh vegetables. Whether you enjoy them straight out of the can or incorporate them into your favorite recipes, you'll appreciate their quality. Speaking of recipes, these sliced carrots are incredibly versatile. From soups and stews to stir-fries and salads, they add a burst of color and flavor. Plus, the sliced format makes them easy to use straight from the can. Packaged in a sturdy can, these Happy Belly carrots are shelf-stable and easy to store. Perfect for stocking up your pantry or taking on camping trips or picnics. In conclusion, Happy Belly sliced carrots are a standout choice for anyone looking to add nutritious, flavorful carrots to their diet. Whether you're a busy parent, a health-conscious individual, or just someone who loves good food, these carrots deserve a spot in your pantry. If you're interested in trying out these Happy Belly sliced carrots for yourself, I've included a link in the description below where you can find more information and make a purchase. That wraps up today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews and recommendations. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring with Product Critique.